Hey y'all, Lily here, aka Beat by Lily B, and I'm going to be opening my Crybaby Wax package. Thank you so much, Kat, for sending me your products to try. I love them. Stay tuned for part 2. But first and foremost, this wax pot is adorable. It is small enough to fit in most spaces, and it comes with a silicone liner, so easy cleanup. Now we have the application, and I love these sticks, guys. Look at the shape. They're just unique, and they make it so easy to apply. Now we have the vegan hard stripless wax, paraben-free, cruelty-free. They smell amazing, mango coconut vibes. The AHA Splash, this is a great cleanser pre-wax because AHAs are gentle enough, but they're also going to remove any dead skin buildup. Now for waxing, I always recommend using a powder. This one isn't too dusty, it doesn't fly everywhere. I love it. The Big Softy Finishing Oil, this is adorable, guys. This helps remove any wax debris post-wax, and it'll help keep your skin soft, along with the calming mango gel. Just for all my little crybabies out there, I really recommend these products, y'all. Stay tuned for part 2.